My name is Yvonne Ng, and I'm a customer service agent. I've been with Changi for 2 years. What I love about my job is that I get to meet and interact with people from different cultures and backgrounds. Every day, we ensure that our passengers enjoy a seamless travel experience in Changi Airport. We must be calm, understand the passenger's perspective, and help them overcome any problems to the best of our abilities. Working as frontline staff is more than just simply processing travel documents. I have to go the extra mile to meet the needs of our customers. I'm glad that I can create an enjoyable experience for our passengers, and it means a lot to me each time I put a smile on someone's face.
My name is Sabrina binti Muhammad Ibrahim, and I am a line operations trainer at SETS. I've been with Changi for 17 years. What I enjoy most is the energy and the passion from everyone working here. My role allows me to share my knowledge and experience with the newer staff, especially with tougher situations. It also gives me the chance to interact with passengers, which I really enjoy. By participating in One Changi activities, you'll be able to make new friends from other agencies. And then how we can work together to handle different challenges that we face with passengers. By always learning and improving ourselves, we'll be able to create meaningful experience for our passengers.